Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andita Prameswari with NPM 2241115. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to make a video the psychological influence in decision making. There are the video. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, I want to explain about the introductions. In everyday life, we are consistently faced with the situation that require decision making, whether on the small or large scales. Make assumptions that decisions are seriously based on logic and data, while the reality, psychological factors play a crucial role in the process. Emotions, perceptions, past experience, and social environments are psychological elements that shape how individuals think and choose. Therefore, understanding the psychological influence in decision making is the essential for making wise and responsibility decisions. So, the introduction we can learn about the in this life we have to learn about the small or large scales. Psychological factors play a crucial role in the process. That's why decision making is the making wise and psychological influence. Okay, next slide is the what is the psychology? Psychology is the science of human behavior and mental process, including how people think, feel, and act. In the context of decision making, psychology examines how individuals evaluate choice, take risks, and select actions. Not all decisions are made rationally. As humans are emotion beings, sometimes decisions are made quickly based on the intuitions or previous experience. Understanding there are psychological mechanisms can help avoid poor choice and become more aware of how our decision affects others. So the psychology is more than important we have learned because psychology is the science of human behavior and mental process. That's why uh, we can think, learn, and feel and act. There are we have understanding the psychology in this lesson. Okay, that's all to take psychology, and next we can next move on the next slide. Next slide is emotions in decision making. Emotions like fear, joy, or anger significantly shapes and how we judge situations. Fear may lead to executions, while euphoria can cause impulsive decisions. Managing emotions is vital to prevent negative outcomes in decision making. So the emotion is decision making, like fear, joy, and anger, efficiently shapes and we can judge situations. So I want to explain about the perceptions versus reality. Perceptions is how individuals interpret the words, which may differ for reality. Two people may see the same problem but interpret it differently. This deeply affects their decisions and perception shapes their preference and actions. That's all the perception versus reality. Yeah. Okay, the next slide is experience. What is the experience? Past interprets significantly impact current decision making. Someone who has faced failure may become more cautious in taking risks, while those who have success often feel braver and more confident. Learning from experience helps shapes our mindset and reactions to specific situations. However, relying too heavily to past experience can limit openness to new opportunities. Therefore, it's essential to evaluate experience critically and avoid using them sole basis on for decisions. Okay, next is intuition versus logic. What is the intuitions versus logic? Okay, I want to show you about it. Decisions are often based on intuitions, especially under pressures. However, intuitions is not always accurate, as it seems from limited experience. Combining intuitions with logical analysis improves decision quality. So, it's important to we can learn about intuition versus logic, and the combination intuition with logical analysis improve decision quality is more than important. Okay, next move on, and the next slide is the role of psychology in business decisions. In this business world, decisions making is not only about numbers and report, but also about people and their behavior. Okay, psychology helps leaders understand employee motivations, teams dynamics, and customer response. For example, effective marketing strategy must consider consumer psychology, such as brand perceptions and emotion preference. With psychological understanding, buyers can make decisions that are not only financial behaviors but also foster sustainable relationships with all stakeholders. Okay, I want to move on to the next slide is the business decision making. What is the business decision making? In business, psychological influence play a vital role from investment decisions to hiring and marketing strategies. A manager who understands psychology is better equipped to read situations and lead teams with effective human human counter and decisions. So, the important we learn about decision making in this slide of the lessons. Uh, Next, move on, and the next slide is the ethical implications. Psychological influence can trigger unethical decisions if not properly managed. Emotional pleasures or conformity may pass in someone to hurt others. Maintaining ethical awareness is crucial throughout the decision-making process. The conclusion in this lesson or video making is the psychological influence is decision making is an aspect that cannot be ignored. Factors such as emotions, perceptions, experience, and social environments greatly contribute to every decision we make. By understanding and managing these psychological elements, both individual and organizational can make wiser, fairer, and more strategic decisions. Awareness the mental process behind every decision will help us to become more mature and responsible as decision maker. So this is the conclusion in this lesson presentation video I have to learn, and that's all for my presentation today. Hope you enjoy, and I'm sorry for our mistakes. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.